and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is Good Friday today, so whatever you may be doing, friends, family, whatever, I hope you're having an awesome time. I have a few different goodies to share with you today. A couple more what I call off the canvas, and a diamond painting as well. So we've got a little bit of everything. So we'll start with the one that can be seen. And these I think are so adorable. And I think they may go to my niece and nephews, who absolutely love to do a little bit of diamond painting. But these are fun stickers. Now they have, of course, the sticky where the diamonds go, but then you can also peel them off once they have the diamonds on, or stick them somewhere and then put the diamonds on. It's up to you, but they are on a clear sticker, so then they're sticky all over the back. So we have some little monsters, one with a spider. They're a little bit Halloweeny, but I think monsters work anytime. This one's got a little witch's hat on. That one's looking a little bit like a minion ghost. And then we have another one with a spider. I don't think they have to be for Halloween though. And then we have a couple there, and then if we turn him round. So you do get a toolkit with a boat, wax and pen. You do also get a little instruction sheet on how to do said stickers, and you also get a little sticker sheet that tells you each of the stickers. Is that actually sticky as well? It's not sticky on the top, but it is a sticker by the looks of it. Yeah, so it is a sticker, but it's not sticky on the top, though it does have a clear film. So in effect you could cut them out and have some extra little stickers. Extra little stickers are always good. Colours are pretty funky as well, as you can imagine. Oh, look at that lime green. Love a good lime green. So we've got lime green, some pink, some dark green, of course black and white, and then look at those bright yellow, purples, oranges, another sort of reddy pink to go with your pink and your lime green. Fun little project, especially if you have little visitors that like to do the same as you. Always fun. Or you could just do them for yourself, because I think they'd look pretty cool. In fact, I might cut out, maybe pinch one for on my laptop or something. Maybe, maybe not. I'll see how much they like them over FaceTime and send them over so that they can have a little bit more sticker fun. They were doing some bookmarks the other day. It was so cute. So that is item number one. I will of course put links to everything in the description box below. And then we have another off the canvas item that is fairly new. It's not fully new. I have seen a couple of them about, but they're definitely getting more and more different things that you can do as an off the canvas item. And this one is a little music box. Can you see? We've got the little music mechanism with the little forks, is it they're called? I'm trying to see if you can get the light. So they are like individual little forks. This turns around, and as it hits each of these bobbles, it plays a tune. Oh, it just wanted to spin then. There's all the mechanisms. But I know this concept, it makes these ping and it makes a tune. So you get that in there. You do get instructions. I'd hope so. Yes, you do. So you do get instructions on how to fit the music box and things. So you do get, is that the base? No, that's an acrylic part. So we do have lots of different parts. You do also get the wiring. You don't get the batteries, but that's standard. Batteries don't ship well. So you do need to pop in 2 batteries. I think they were AA. Let me have a look. Does it tell me? 2 number 5 batteries. What's number 5? Is that AA or AAA? I don't know. Let me have a look. See if I can tell. Oh, it tells you inside. They're AAA. So they're AAA batteries that this one takes. Well, that's good, because for some reason, the past few times we've picked up batteries, we've picked up AAA thinking we need them. We have gazillions. Absolutely gazillions. So you get the little battery box that gets connected. Of course, we have diamond painting goodies, which I'll have a look at in one moment. And then in here, we also have, these are some parts that go around the side. These are not diamond painted, but they are printed with a nice design. So this is actually a construction piece, should we call it. You get 6 of those. You also get pegs and plastic screws, so they're like spacers between the different sections, and plastic screws. You also get a couple of sticky pads, and they even, this is pretty handy, they even provide you with the screwdriver, and that's not even a cracker screwdriver, that one. That's a little bit bigger than the ones you get in a cracker. So you do get the screwdriver as well. So to me, it looks like you get everything that you need in there. And then diamond painting wise, let me just pop those bits back in. Keep all the construction pieces together. I'm wondering if that is the base for this one. Though it does say to screw it in with screws. Oh no, here is the base. So this is the base. Oh look, it even has an image of where the music box goes. So that tells you where it goes and where you need to screw it in. And then it shows you how you pop in, if I can just pick this up. It shows you how you pop in the battery box and wrap the light wire. So they are all LED lights, and you wrap them around as well. So not only does it play music, but it also glows. So that is your base. This does look to have a protective film on it. So you have a little bit of peeling. I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah, it does. I say that and I still can't get hold of it. Does it? Does it? Does it not? Maybe not. Maybe it doesn't. Okay, then this is another base. You don't diamond paint on this. So this makes up, this is the bottom bit here that you put the pegs on. So those spacer pegs to ramp it up. Then we have a couple of different bits that you diamond paint. So we have what is the top base, which will sit up here. And that is the part that you diamond paint. So you will have a layer with the mechanics, and then you will have another layer. And this is the one that you diamond paint. So this one definitely does have sticky on it. And you've got a few different shapes of diamonds and stars there. And then once that is all done, you do this piece as well, which will then sit in the top and become the top of your music box. Now there's quite a few different ones. This picture shows a bunny with an Easter egg. That is an option. There's loads of different options, but I thought this cute little like gingerbread type house was quite sweet. A little strawberry on the top, and you actually do both sides, which is good because you never know which way you may place the music box or whether it can be seen from both sides, especially if it's on a bedside table. You can see it from bed, you can see it from the door. So you've got all of those. You do also get the toolkit, and then there is 2 different packs of diamonds. So my guess is one of them is for this and one of them is for this. So let's have a quick look. This one goes up to number 8. Yeah, this one goes up to number 11. So I'd say this smaller pack is the base, but I am guessing. Yeah, so this goes up to number 8. The number 5 is a teardrop, which it is on here. And then 7 and 8 are the correct shape. So this is your pack for your base. So you could do it in 2 different sections. We've got some circles, teardrops, and then we do have 4 different rhinestones in red, yellow, blue, and orange. Or orange. So that is for this piece. I wonder if that piece is the same across all, and then maybe the reason these are packaged different is you get a different topper. That's my initial guess, but it is a guess. So the colours for the topper on this one are they're not quite all rhinestones, but all this pack is. So we've got red, yellow, a couple of shades of pink, a couple of shades of orange, more pinks, blues and green, and that is your basic rhinestone shapes. And then we have some yellow circles, which is number 12, so they are dotted about in here. Number 13, some pearls, they are also dotted about in here. In fact, I can see 4 of them that you need. I think I have enough. And then last but not least, we have these bigger ones which actually go in the windows, and to me they look like the little cardigan buttons you can get for babies cardigan buttons. If you know what I'm thinking, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you don't. But I always envision them as looking like the little buttons that all my kids had on their little baby cardigans, little star buttons. But of course they don't have the holes in. They are rhinestones. So that is a fun little project to do, whether it be for yourself or whether it be to gift to somebody. But I always like to do a little off the canvas item every now and then that actually ends up, you know, turning into something a bit different. So let's pop all those bits back in there, because I definitely do not want to lose any of the bits to this. How they get these to go in the box originally, I really don't know, because I'm kind of struggling to get them all in. Okay, let's leave the lid off on that one, but that's the one that I picked up. And then last but by no means least for today, we do also have a diamond painting. I think this is the biggest one that I got in sort of this set of unboxings that have arrived. I tend to get items are received in batches. But this is the biggest one that I've got recently, and it's this way. Forget which way it is. But this was fun and colourful. This is a 50 by 60, and I actually don't think I have my tape measure in here. I was measuring something in the other room, but look at that. It is stunning. I went for this for the colours. Let me see if I can grab my long ruler. Doesn't quite go up to the measurements we need, but it does tell me that it is 44.5 centimetres across, because of course the 50 includes the sides. And then for the rest, if we go to 45 there, it is 45, 50, 54 and a half. 54 and a half centimetres up, and was it 45 centimetres? No, 44 and a half centimetres across, and the rest is the border. But look at the colours in that. So quite a bit of what I'd say colour blocking, where you have a batch of the same colour in the same place rather than scattered. There is the odd little bit where it's a bit more scattered, a bit more confetti-ish, but I don't think there's, probably the biggest block is maybe here, or possibly one of these, depending on how you uncovered it. But it's a nice balance, I think, on this one, that there's no particular place you're going to feel as though all you're doing is placing the same colour compared to another time. It is a round, and they do all actually come in baggies. I do like it when they come in baggies. I find it's a lot quicker to kit up when they come in bags rather than in separate little bags. I suppose it's just the extra pair of scissors and stuff that is involved, but they are all numbered. There is 23 different colours in this one, and they do come with DMC numbers. That, I'm guessing, is the letter O. Yes, it is. It is 606. So that is the one that there is a lot of. After that, there's actually a fair amount of 14, which is J. I'm not finding that in huge amounts of blocks. That block there is actually I, which is 15. Similar type colours, but that's used for quite a bit of the edge shading. We've got some gorgeous yellows. Ooh, nice bright pinks. Nice bright pink colours. In fact, there's a few different sort of pinks going into reds. And then you go into, so we've got pinks going into reds. It's another thing with bags, you can sort of get hold of them and fan them out. Then we have sort of tan, and then we've got a bit of, that's probably more an orange, and that's probably more, oh, they're alive, a yellow. So we've got tans, oranges and yellows. What's the next? Then we've got blues. So we've got 4 different blues. That's probably more of a red and a reddy purple. Should I pick those up with the pink? And we've got some greys, browns, and that pop of green that appears in a few different places. So yeah, really, really nice colours. So today's selection, I will of course pop links down below. We have the big heart in a round. We've got a music box, of which there are a few different ones, so I'll link this one, and then you can always use the keywords in, I think they call it a music box, but if they don't call it a music box, just use the same sort of phrasing that they use in the title and use the search and pop it in there, and then you'll see all the other types as well. And then we have some funky groovy monster stickers, because who doesn't like a good sticker? So thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these, and for, of course, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you all to you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.